So a while ago, Marcel from Maxint R&D, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, Maxint R&D, he contacted me and asked if he could send me something. And I said, yes, of course, I like people sending me stuff. And this is what turned up. I have no idea what's inside. I'm gonna open it up and have a look. Always put the cap back on. All right, there's a little note in there, which is in Dutch, so I'm just gonna translate it. So it says, hi Dustin, I'm sending you some 80 tiny dev boards and some matching components, and there is a challenge included, which without a microscope took him a while, and there's a kit for a clock display. ZOZ means that there's something on the other side. I didn't put on the cap. This says, hopefully you enjoy it, and thanks again for your easy EDA tutorials. They help me a lot. So there are 3 little packages inside. Just gonna open the biggest one. Don't save that for last. This is well packaged. Oh wait, maybe I can do it without the knife. Hi Dustin, on these dev boards I use these colors for the ICSP header. So red VCC and MISO, white MOSI and clock, blue ground and reset, and golden, oh that's the golden reset button over there. Thank you. This is a microscope challenge. Trying to solder the tiniest RGB LED to a breakout board and show it still works. Well, that last bit, that's a bit difficult. Very cool. And this one, which is, can I open it like this without cutting myself? Keep forgetting the cap. This is an LED matrix and a board as well. It says TM1650, 4 7 segments and buttons. And there's some capacitors in there and a resistor, I think, a few resistors, some buttons, and the chip is it soldered on? I don't know, let's open it. So the chip is stuck to the board with a bit of scotch tape. I think I need to solder that. I am gonna. But first, I think I'm gonna do the challenge. I accept your challenge. I like a challenge. Let's try this. So after further unpacking everything, I was getting ready to solder. I was gonna do the microscope challenge. But this is the state of my current smallest tip, and I'm not gonna solder anything with this because that's gonna be one big mess. I've ordered some new ones. They haven't shown up. I hope they do quite quickly, and then I'll definitely start building these boards together, putting up a video on YouTube. Thanks again, Marcel. I really enjoyed this, and I think I will enjoy it even more when I'll be able to solder them. Thank you again so much.